up. On three. 1, 2, 3.
Gordon again to the 30, breaks a tackle. 35-40.
They can't stop us when we run the ball. They can't stop us running the ball. They can't stop us. Stick with the plan. Hey, great job. Just keep doing our job, though.
Throws down the right side for Grunt, makes the catch to the 20. Grunt to the 10. Grunt for the record book. Touchdown 69 for Rob Gronkowski.
That's 69, baby. That's cool. We got Nicky back there. We got Nick. Nicky Foles gonna air it out. He cold-blooded. Cold-blooded. Let's go, Foles.
Foles steps up in the pocket, fires it for the end zone. Catch made. Kelsey finds the end zone.
Look. What is going on here, bro? We gotta get our fangs out. You guys got me?
Come on, defense!
We might as well play the rest of this game like a blitz drill. They're gonna bring pressure. Keep it on them, man. Drag them in the deep water. Go! They're hurt. Go! Yeah, bad boy.
Great tackle! Outstanding tackle! Four-man rush, like his head, and he's eaten by Chris Jones at the 7-yard line.
Yeah!
You thought the game was over with, huh? Yeah, but you walked off the field.
Bro, full of excitement, man.
Would you get too excited?
Hey,
go hit
bro,
down?
all I can do was thank God. I forgot about everything.
You can thank me. I don't know. Thank you, Jesus.
You better stop that, KK.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
Breeze under center on 1st and 10, hands to Ingram. He goes left side, finds a little bit of a gap. Ball comes out, bounces into the hands of the Seahawks. It's Earl Thomas. Far sideline, 20, 15, 10, 5. Touchdown, Seahawks.
Hey, he celebrated with the ref.
He was so excited he got into the end zone. You're not supposed to touch the officials, even if it's in celebration.
What did he do? Give Earl hug the ref walking back. Being gleeful.
That's your brother. He heard the ref, yeah.
He hugged the ref. They give him a flag.
They gave him a flag?
Yeah.
To the flag.
A man body with a kid heart, man. That's how you can live forever, bro. How you live forever. Everybody want to live young, no. It's the heart when you that's young. I'm really 14, but I'm 22. Good job, bud.
That's your first one this year? Burger time.
Okay, you're not up now, but you're going to be the next guy up, so be ready.
Okay.
Right? Field goal protection. Could be in guard, tackle, one of those spots.
Guard, shot.
They can use my boy for anything.
I told him I appreciate you, coach. I know.
Say the more you can do.
Yeah.
Nacho utilize his ability, man. That's why I like you so much, Nacho.
got me, boy.
I mean, bro, I can come out here and put you at offensive tackle, and you will be out there yamming them. Yamming, and you a dog. They me too. You know, I used to play quarterback in high school. I got it.
I did.
Bro, everybody used to play quarterback and don't start this.
That's why we here. We were athletes.
No.
What you mean?
I was a real deal quarterback.
Oh, my God. I feel my head.
Look at me. I'm ready. Get up.
They tired. They don't want none of it. Got their ass against the ropes. Now finish it. Finish it.
Fight. We in a fight, Dion. You got to love it.
This is gut check time, right?
Gut check, man. Hey, gut check.
We've been on the field too long. Either take away or 3 and out. Get that ball back.
These guys are scared of us. And we're letting them off the hook. Drop your chin. Start bombing. Drop your chin and start bombing.
35 seconds left. Bryant looks, end zone, caught, Sanu, touchdown Atlanta.
second and goal. He's going to throw. Looking, starts up the middle. Now he pulls it back. Now he peels around left. Now he throws it in the end zone. Jason Witten. Touchdown. Cowboys win.
I love you, buddy. That's the way to go. Damn it. I'm proud to be part of the circle right now. It was an unbelievable team effort. Unbelievable display of mental toughness.
But we found a way to win. That's character. That's pride, okay? That's what this game's all about.
How about those? That's what I'm saying.
You just made up a new word, brothership.
Hell yeah.
Here we go. Brothership on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Brothership!